Hi, I'm Tony Stewart, General Manager here at SRC Tech. We at SRC are proud to be lead sponsors of Manufacturing Day and Manufacturing Month.
As villages, towns, and cities grow, there is a need for modern and efficient infrastructure systems. These systems require products that are safe, reliable, and manufactured to the highest standards. At EJ, we provide access solutions for the infrastructure systems, and we pride ourselves on designing, manufacturing, and delivering these American-made solutions to our loyal customers. Customers who have called on us for decades and value our reputation in the industry. In an increasingly competitive global market, EJ has stood the test of time by focusing on our customer needs, efficient manufacturing processes, being good stewards of our environmental resources, and hiring the right employees to get the job done. With our values and vision as our guide, we aim to be the global leader in infrastructure access solutions. The process of creating our product begins with the customer. Our sales team works with customers from municipalities, architectural and engineering firms, precasters, distributors, and contractors to select the right solution for their needs. Our products are made to local specifications. Once the order enters our systems, our team determines product availability through existing inventory or by manufacturing of the product. Scheduling determines the facility where the product will be made, the most efficient product mix, and the date in which the product will be made to ensure we meet the delivery date requested by the customer. Our pattern groups make precision patterns out of metal or plastic, which are then used in a high-pressure green sand molding process. The molding machine makes an impression with the pattern into the sand. Even before the iron is poured, our purchasing teams focus on buying all the raw materials required for the melting process. We purchase thousands of tons of recycled scrap metal, which is then melted and poured into sand molds to create our products, which are also referred to as castings. Our castings contain over 85% recycled content, being produced in an environmentally responsible way. At EJ, we use an all-electric induction melting process, which is considered a clean, energy-efficient technology. This provides flexibility and minimizes our impact on the environment. The scrap and other metals are loaded into an electric furnace and melted down to meet the desired specification. To ensure a high-quality casting, our laboratories monitor the sand used in mold making and the metallurgical properties of the iron. After melting, molten iron is transferred to a ladle and transported to the molding operation. Here, the iron is poured into the mold, creating the casting. The casting continues to cool in the mold, is then removed from the mold and transferred to the hot chain, a long conveyor chain on which the casting cools. The castings are then put through a shot blast process which cleans the product. Once shot blasted, the product is then transferred to the finishing department. The final step is grinding and finishing to remove any excess flashing or excess iron on the casting. After final inspection, the product is ready to be transferred to our distribution centers to be delivered to our customer. The process of creating a casting from start to finish couldn't be completed without the commitment, expertise, and dedication of all employees at EJ. We are fortunate to have employees, many of whom have had several generations of family before them working at EJ, that take pride in creating American-made products that are used to build the infrastructure. We are always modernizing and investing in our facilities. At EJ, we are proud to supply our customers with exceptional solutions. We enjoy a partnership within the communities in which we live, work, and play, and appreciate and look after our environment. We are EJ.